The Lynk Co 900 Luxury SUV 2026 in its striking black finish is a bold statement of style, performance, and modern innovation, a vehicle that redefines what it means to drive a premium SUV in today's world. From the very first glance, its imposing stance and sleek silhouette command attention, with a design language that balances elegance and aggression. The glossy black bodywork accentuates every curve and sharp line, while the signature Lynk & Co front fascia has been reimagined for 2026 with a wider grille, intricate mesh detailing, and integrated LED daytime running lights that flow seamlessly into ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic contours emphasize strength and motion even when standing still, while the side profile showcases flush door handles, muscular wheel arches, and massive alloy wheels that add both performance and presence. At the rear, a full-width light bar with dynamic 3D LED elements gives the SUV a futuristic look, while the chrome-tipped exhausts and gloss black diffuser add the finishing touch of sportiness and luxury. Step inside the cabin and the Lynk & Co 900 Luxury SUV 2026 welcomes you into a space that perfectly blends high-tech sophistication with handcrafted comfort. The black theme continues with premium Napa leather seats accented by contrast stitching, carbon fiber inserts, and brushed aluminum details that create a refined yet sporty ambiance. The centerpiece is a massive curved OLED display that spans across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the driver's instrument cluster with the infotainment system. Powered by the latest Lynk & Co OS, this system offers AI-enhanced voice commands, gesture control, and a customizable interface that learns driver habits over time. Wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air updates, and a fully connected ecosystem ensure the technology is always current and tailored to each user's lifestyle. Ambient lighting with millions of customizable colors creates a dramatic environment, especially against the deep black interior finishes, while a panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of openness and light. The seating is designed to offer ultimate comfort and support, with the front seats featuring heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The second row offers generous legroom, reclining options, and its own climate controls, while the third row provides flexibility for families or larger groups without compromising comfort. Acoustic glass and advanced sound insulation transform the cabin into a serene sanctuary, while the premium Harman Kardon 3D audio system fills the space with crystal clear, immersive sound. Every detail has been considered for passenger convenience, from multiple wireless charging pads and USB-C ports to hidden storage compartments and fold-flat seating for versatile cargo solutions. Under the hood, the Lynk & Co 900 Luxury SUV 2026 delivers a range of advanced powertrains designed to suit every lifestyle. The standard engine is a refined turbocharged hybrid that combines strong performance with excellent fuel efficiency, offering smooth power delivery and reduced emissions. A plug-in hybrid variant extends this efficiency further with a substantial all-electric range for daily commutes, while maintaining the flexibility of a combustion engine for long journeys. At the top of the lineup, a fully electric version powered by dual motors and a high-capacity battery pack delivers instant torque, blistering acceleration, and long-range capability that makes it one of the most exciting luxury EV SUVs available. Intelligent all-wheel drive systems come standard across the range, adapting in real time to driving conditions to ensure maximum stability and traction whether cruising highways, tackling rough terrain, or navigating city streets. Driving dynamics have been engineered for versatility, offering a perfect balance between sporty agility and luxurious comfort. The adaptive suspension system continuously monitors road conditions and driver input, softening for a smooth, comfortable ride or firming up for precision and control during spirited driving. Multiple drive modes, including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Off-Road, allow drivers to tailor the SUV's performance to their needs, while advanced steering and braking systems ensure confidence and responsiveness at all times. Despite its size and commanding presence, the Lynk & Co 900 handles with surprising nimbleness, making it equally at home in urban environments and on open roads. Safety is another key area where the Lynk & Co 900 excels. The SUV is equipped with a full suite of next-generation driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. A 360-degree camera system with 3D visualization provides complete visibility around the vehicle, while AI-powered predictive safety systems analyze traffic and driver behavior to anticipate and prevent potential hazards. Semi-autonomous driving features enhance convenience on highways, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys, while intelligent parking assist ensures stress-free maneuvering in tight spaces. Sustainability has been woven into the design of the Lynk Co 900 from the ground up. Eco-friendly materials are used throughout the interior, including recycled fabrics and responsibly sourced leather, while the hybrid and electric variants dramatically reduce emissions without compromising performance. The aerodynamic design helps maximize efficiency, while smart energy recovery systems capture braking energy to further improve range and fuel economy. In terms of practicality, the Lynk Co 900 Luxury SUV 2026 offers all the space and versatility a modern family or executive could need. The rear seats fold flat to create a large, flexible cargo area, while powered tailgates and smart load management features make loading and unloading effortless. Advanced connectivity keeps all passengers entertained and productive on the go, with rear seat entertainment systems and onboard Wi-Fi ensuring seamless digital integration. The Lynk Co 900 Luxury SUV 2026 in its bold black finish is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of power, prestige, and modern innovation. It blends the elegance of premium design with the excitement of advanced performance and the practicality of a true SUV. For drivers, it delivers dynamic power, precision handling, and cutting-edge technology. For passengers, it offers comfort, serenity, and an immersive experience. For the industry, it sets a new benchmark for what a modern luxury SUV can achieve. With its striking black design, advanced interior, powerful yet efficient powertrains, and commitment to sustainability and safety, the Lynk Co 900 2026 is the perfect example of how the future of luxury mobility should look and feel.